Possessive pronouns and definiteness in Arabic. Now that we understand how al makes a noun definite, I'd like to introduce another way to show definiteness in Arabic by using possessive pronouns. These pronouns help us express ownership, like my, his, or her in English. When we add a possessive pronoun to a noun, it automatically makes the noun definite. That means we don't need to add al. The possessive pronoun itself acts as the definite marker. Now let's go over this in a way that makes it simple to grasp. In Arabic, we have two main ways to make a noun or adjective definite. Specific. This means we are talking about a particular thing or person, not just anything general. Here's how. First, making a noun or adjective definite with al. Adding al at the start of a noun or adjective in Arabic is like using the in English. It makes the noun or adjective specific. For example, the word kitab means book. When we add al and damme, it becomes al-kitabu, meaning the book, indicating a specific book. Second, making a noun definite by using possessive pronouns. Another way to make a noun definite is by adding possessive endings. These endings show ownership, making the noun specific by indicating who owns it. In Arabic, these possessive endings are added to the end of a noun and change the meaning to my, his, or her. Here's how it works with possessive endings. By adding the letter ya with the long vowel sound e, meaning my, to the end of a noun, this indicates that the noun belongs to the speaker, giving it a specific ownership. By adding the letter ha with a damme vowel pronounced as hu, meaning his, to the end of a noun, this shows that the noun belongs to a male, giving it specific ownership by him. By adding the letter ha with an alif pronounced as ha, meaning her, to the end of a noun, this shows that a noun belongs to a female, giving it specific ownership by her. Each of these endings clarifies ownership, making the noun definite by specifying my, his, or her. Please note, we will discuss subject pronouns and possessive pronouns in more detail in future lessons. For now, focus on how these possessive endings, e for my, hu for his, and ha for her, make nouns specific by showing ownership. Additional tip for isolated nouns. Now that we've looked at making nouns definite with al and possessive endings, here is an extra tip for identifying whether an isolated noun or adjective is definite, specific, or indefinite, general. For isolated nouns or adjectives, the default vowel markers for definiteness and indefiniteness are: for definite, using damme at the end, as in al-kitabu, meaning the book. Second, indefinite, using tanween damme at the end, as in kitabun, meaning a book. These markers quickly help us recognize if a noun or adjective is specific, definite, or general, indefinite.